What's up, guys? We're back. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. I want to explain a bit about why I haven't had any content with the Chrysler on my channel in a minute. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may have heard the news, but a few months ago I was driving on the interstate, hit a good patch of fucking water, lost control, straight into the middle barricade on the interstate. Thankfully I was only going about 40 or 45 because it was already a little sketchy to drive in those conditions. For the most part, the damage is minor. On my dirty ass car. So the damage we had was all to the front end. Impacted over here on this side, which crushed in our actual frame bumper. The front bumper that was on there, the bodywork looked fucking awful. Within hitting it, actually not from the impact really, but this all got cracked, which I guess water got inside here and shorted out my power converter. So I've got a new one coming in of those, but right now we don't have our driver's side headlight. That's a fairly recent little downfall we've had though. So I was trying to dry that out today, but that is looking like it's probably not going to be the fix for that. Probably gonna have to buy a new one. Let's go for a drive, talk about this shit. Yeah, like I was saying, hit an interstate barricade going about 40 to 45 mile an hour, completely crumpled my front end, which I guess is the best thing that could have happened. I was okay. I didn't hit anybody, so that's always a plus. I didn't want to post any content with my car fucked up, if I'm being 100% transparent there, but you know, it's bound to happen. It's been 3 months, so I kind of got tired of waiting, figured I should just clue you guys in. I hopefully have a new front bumper coming in soon. But yeah, it was, whenever I hit that barricade, it was kind of just a motivation killer for me to want to make any car content with this thing. Which, you know, like I said, it's really fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I had to replace the drive shaft, but that was completely unrelated. That was just me getting close to my 100,000 mile mark, and the car starting to shit itself. But yeah, y'all should definitely be expecting some Chrysler content soon. Hopefully headers even sooner than, you know, sooner than I initially planned for, which will be awesome. I'll be doing an install video on headers because that's definitely a process. But once I get that done, all that's really left is to cam the bitch, and it's gonna be quote unquote done for a while. We'll see how long that lasts. But other than the headlight, man, I mean, everything feels perfectly fine, which I adore. I'm glad it's all good. Tunnel clip. Always gotta appreciate the tunnels. But yeah, main thing I wanted to do, let you guys know I'm not dead. My car's not dead. Just at a little hiatus until now, you know. Definitely gonna be launching that shit up again, start posting more content. I miss it a lot. I miss you guys a lot. I miss your support. And the car definitely needs more shit done to it soon, so. We gotta get on top of that. This dude's going 45 on the interstate, bro. V8 screaming is one of the best sounds in the goddamn world, and you cannot change my mind on that. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for letting me bitch about my car. And, well, I didn't really bitch to that, but, you know, you get the point. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Take it easy. Don't do crack. Stay in school. See ya.